Good morning, South Korea! Well, 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 South Korea. He's there. Check out this delicious feast. I was thinking this morning that a feast like this, you can't be cereal. Woohoo! Chasing Falls! Ah, I'm starting to think the bus might have been a better idea. I haven't even cycled a kilometre yet. This is hard work on Daphne. But it is a beautiful day. Perfect day to be outside. Yeehaw! I also thought by cycling we might be able to capture some of the scenery and roads on the way. Well, not might, we will capture. We're doing it now. There's actually a great quote that says, "Not everything that can be counted matters, and not everything that matters can be counted." Yeah. Stew on that for a little while. Hey! There he is! So peeps, I stopped at this little coffee shop for a little perk up. Not that I need one, but why not enjoy this beautiful hot day with a delicious coffee I've ever seen. Now, what do you call a joke about the Supreme Leader? A Kim Jong pun. Oh dear, so tempting there. You know I can't avoid my forbidden fruit. Which one shall we grab? Shit. I'm gonna have to lunge for it. Okay, on 3. 1, 2, 3. He's got it! Thievery! Goodness, look at all these oranges! So many orange fields around here! Yeah, 'cause you don't really want to be high like me, did a little bit of sky like me, stuck on that stage with me, stuck on that stage with me. Oh, I know a sad song, a sad song. Oh, I know a sad song, a sad song. A sad song. You might not be able to see me, but you can certainly hear me. Having some fun. Keeping those spirits high on the way back. So, just stopped for food and got around 5 kilometers to go. So, not far. When you can't swim in the pools, it's so good to just get some of that fresh water on your face. Woo!